MubadalaAlpha Dhabi JV to invest $2.5 billion in credit opportunities, and Adib raises ownership in Adib Egypt to 52.6%. You're watching The Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramya. Mubadala and Alpha Dhabi have formed a JV to co-invest in credit opportunities. Alpha Dhabi and Mubadala aim to collectively deploy up to $2.5 billion over the next 5 years. They'll leverage Mubadala's long-term and strategic partnership with Apollo, one of the world's largest alternative asset managers, to access high-quality private credit investment opportunities. Mubadala will hold 80% ownership in the Abu Dhabi Global Market-based JV, and Alpha Dhabi will hold the remaining 20%. Adib has increased its ownership in Adib Egypt to 52.6%. Adib acquired 9.6 million shares from National Investment Bank, representing 2.4% of Adib Egypt's share capital. Adib posted a net profit of $667 million for the first 9 months of 2022, up 53% from the same period of 2021. Adnoc has allocated $15 billion to advance various projects across its diversified value chain by 2030. These projects will include investments in clean power, carbon capture and storage, further electrification of its operations, energy efficiency, and new measures to build on Adnoc's long-standing policy of zero routine gas flaring. Adnoc says it will apply a rigorous assessment to ensure each project delivers lasting, tangible impact. It plans to reduce its carbon intensity by 25% by 2030 and to achieve net zero by 2050. Afghanistan's Taliban-led administration will sign a contract with a Chinese company to extract oil from the Amu Darya basin in the country's north. Afghanistan's mining ministry says the contract will be signed with Xinjiang Central Asia Petroleum and Gas. It will be the first major public commodities extraction deal the Taliban has signed with any foreign company since taking power in 2021. China has significant interest in Afghanistan as it's at the center of a region important for its Belt and Road Initiative. Let's take a look now at today's Forbes Real-Time Billionaires ranking. It tracks the daily ups and downs of the world's richest people. Our biggest winner today is once again the world's richest man. LVMH's Bernard Arnault, up $8.8 billion today with net wealth of $189.8 billion. Our second biggest winner today is L'Oreal's Francois Bettencourt-Meyers, up $3.5 billion with net wealth of $75.5 billion. And our third place winner is Elon Musk, also up about $3.5 billion with net wealth of $140.5 billion. Check out our website and our social media for all of the latest Billionaires news. And a top-selling tuna fish at Tokyo's traditional New Year auction sold for more than $270,000 today. It's nearly double last year's price, breaking the pandemic trend of slumping demand. A Michelin-starred sushi restaurant bought the 212-kilo bluefin tuna, and it will soon be served. I'm Ramya Faraj. This is The Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.